It is day
7!
Day 7 of the Jollier January Raffle. All right, for today we've got Carol Parietti.
You get the jar.
Okay, you're gonna get the jar.
Jar.
I think it's in your room.
Okay.
We've also got Lori Billington, Janice Barnes. Oops, careful.
We'll find the jar.
Shelly Borbonis, Jennifer Kalstrom, Ellen Moran, Anna Bonilia, Maya Nestingen, Maria Loomis, Geraldine Walker, and Diamond Junkie. All right, so we're gonna put these names in our jar, and Rocket and Zuli are going to choose one lucky winner to win a DIYmoon Shop artist sticker beadboard. Look at how pretty that is. Look, Zuli, what do you see?
I see this one and this one and this. Excuse me?
So we've got a whole bunch of Medusa the Doll Maker's different designs collaged in this beadboard. And we've got one lucky winner from today's pool of Raffle to win this board. So let's go get on it.
Where's our jar? Jar? Hiding. Where's the bit? Alright. Okay, in a row. Let's roll. Nice. Okay. Alright, show off the beadboard. Such a cool beadboard.
I win!
Good job, guys. Rocket, what was taking you long? Alright, we have one prize for today.
Can we shake it too?
Shake, shake, shake. Alright, I will get to pick the winner this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Who is the winner? It's Lori Billington.
Yay! Dad got a winner!
Got the winner of the beadboard, the sticker beadboard. Congratulations!
Yay! Yay!
Ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Touch the dam!